Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find transit number and routing number for RBC Bank, even without the app. So in Canada, your transit number is a 5-digit code that looks something like this, and that identifies the branch where you opened your account. When combined with RBC's institution number 003, you get the full routing number. So let me explain. For example, the Royal Bank of Canada's institution number is 003 here. So the transit number should start with 003 and the last 5 digit will be the full routing number. So this is the transit number, and when you combine transit number and branch institution number, you will get the full routing number. So click on this link and you will see the full list of RBC routing numbers. If not, you can just find your numbers here. Anyway, that is how you actually find it. Also, another place you can find it is on the check. So it is the first 5 digits printed at the bottom, followed by RBC's institution number. So this is the institution number, this is the 5 digit number, this is the check number, and this is your bank account number. So you can find it on the check. And you can also find your transit number by logging into online bank or go to your account summary and click on the account. You'll see your full account info including the transit number. If you know which branch you opened your account at, you can look it up using an RBC routing number directory like this one. And if your transit number only shows 4 digits, just add a zero at the front, uh, like this. Have a zero at the front. So as you can see, there is a couple of zeros. So that's it. You now know how to find your RBC transit number.